Hey guys, it's Michael. I know I haven't posted a video in a long time. It's because the device I was recording was shut down for like a bunch of weeks. I can't remember. Happy New Year's. I'm about to do the cinnamon challenge. I don't know what to expect. It's gonna be nasty, but here we go. Alright. I got it. Don't do that.
Just
Don't
like
do that.
It tastes like shit, don't it?
Yeah. Well, I will see you guys when I post the next video. I don't know when. Leave a like. Leave some comments. Goodbye.